Good morning, children. Let us start today's class. We already seen what are the criteria and one theorem there last class only. What are the criteria? A similarity criteria is there, and then what is the next one? We have studied that AA criteria, then SAS criteria, SSS criteria, three criterias we have seen. Based on that, we have to do this exercise. So, exercise questions we are doing first. Let us see how the criteria cases are applying here. The first question, state which pair of the triangles in the figure are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So when the similarity is there, you should try to write which are the symbolic form only. So the first example, angle A equal to 60, angle B 80, angle C 40. Then angle P equal to 60, then angle Q is equal to 80, angle R equal to 40 degree. Now if you compare, it's written the order angle A and P equal to 60, and angle B and Q equal to 80, angle C and R equal to 40 degree. Okay, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AAA rule only. So what is the case here? All the angles are equal, which is the new rule. Yesterday we have studied in the last class. So we have know that a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. When it is a similarity, we must write the order. Next question. The sides are given here. AB equal to 2, BC equal to 2.5 and AC equal to 3 only. Now, which are the order and which are the sides proportional to that one? So, just if you take a AB and a QR, it is 2 and 4 only. So, we know that it is 1 by 2 and 3 and 6 also is there. So, that is also equal to 1 by 2. 2.5 and 5, that is also equal to 1 by 2 only. So, AB by QR and BC by RP, CA by PQ. So all this, if you check, the ratio equal to same only. It is equal to 1 by 2, right? So we can say that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. I think you can see the symbolic form what we have written for the similarity. Now if you check the order, how to write the same rule what we have learned for the congruency only. The first case we can see that A is there, and the third ratio also A is there. So in the denominator, which letter is coming common? So Q is coming common in both the case. So A is having correspondence with the Q. Now we got A is having correspondence with the Q, then what is the correspondence for B? B having corresponding with the R only. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP only by SSS rule. By SSS rule, all the three sides are there. So it is equal to 1 by 2 only. So now we got SSS criteria. These two triangles are similar. So we should write what is the similarity. So we should follow the order. Third question. LM equal to 2.7, MP equal to 2, LP equal to 3, DE equal to 4, EF equal to 5, DF equal to 6. So here directly answer you can see, but let us check the same ratios are possible or not. 3 and 6 are there, so it is possibility is getting for 1 by 2 is there for the case of LP and DF. But when we go for 2.7, there is no criteria which is happening double of that one. So but the 2, if you are taking, it is 2 by 4 is also possible, right? But the one case only 2.7, we are not able to find out anything is double of that one. So we can say that no criteria is there because all the three sides are there. It should be SSS only possible. Now one side is not correct. So what is the conclusion? They are not similar as the corresponding sides are not proportional. If it is similarity is there, then only we should write the similarity criteria. Here we already written that there is no similarity. So what is that one? Corresponding sides are not proportional only. Okay. Now the next question, fourth one. What is given here? Definitely two sides and the included angle only given. Here also PQR also you can see that two sides and included angle. So the criteria possibility is SAS only. Now let us check the sides. MN equal to 2.5 and PQ equal to 5 only, right? Next it is 70 degree. Okay. Then 5 is there. So here we are having the possibility of getting, I think, Mn equal to 2.5 and the PQ equal to 5 only, right? So Mn and the PQ, if you take Mn by PQ, it is equal to 2.5 and the 5. Then Ml and the QR. What is the ratio we are getting? 2.5 and if 5 is there, then here 5 and 10 is there, so 1 by 2 is we are getting there. Now angle M equal to angle 70, that is also included angle only. Mn and Ml we are taking, so it is equal to 1 by 2, right? Next, what is the case? Angle M is equal to angle Q. So it is SAS is possible here. So it is equal to 70 degree only. Now see that one MN and MLE we have taken the side. MN by PQ we have taken and ML by QR we have taken. So M we are having the congruency which is the common letter Q only. So for M it should be Q. Okay. Next N we are having the relation with the P. So we have to write that a triangle N, M, L, similar to M is having the relation with the Q only. So we are getting in between Q we got. For N what should come? It is P. Then L what should come? It is R. So we are getting the relation NML is similar to PQR. The answer is SAS. I think this is not correct. So they are proportional only by the criteria SAS, right? So we are getting the SAS criteria. Again, we check 2.5 and 5 only. 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. 2.5 by 5, that is also 1 by 2 only. And MNQ are 70 degrees. So SAS criteria is applicable here. Next, what about this one? Angle 2.5 is a, sorry, side AB equal to 2.5, BC is 3 is given, and angle equal to 80 degree. We cannot find the side AC there. So what is that one? We can write they are not similar because corresponding sides are not proportional only. When the angle is given, the side should be included. So which value we required there? AC value, if it is given, then only we can apply that one. So we cannot apply here the here SAS, so we can conclude that they are not proportional. In case two angles are there, we can go for the third angle, but the side we cannot do after unless until they give the information. So it's not given, so we cannot go for that, right? Okay, the next question. Angle D equal to 70 degree, angle E equal to 80 degree, then angle F is unknown here, and the angle P is also unknown, but whereas Q and R given as 80 degree and 30 degree only. Now triangle DEF, if you calculated angle sum property we can apply, and F we can calculate. What is the value for F? Angle F equal to 30. Similarly in triangle PQR, 80 30 is given, that means angle P we can calculate, angle P is equal to 70 degree only, right? So we got F and P respectively 30 and 70 degree only. Now, how to write the similarity? How to check the criteria there? Angle D, if you are taken, it is a similar correspondence with the angle P only. Both are equal to 70 degree, right? Angle D, then angle P. Now, what is the next step? Angle E and angle Q. Angle E and EQ, E and Q equal to 80 degree. Then what is the last angle? Angle F and angle R equal to 30 degree. If you check this one, which are the correct correspondence, that is they have not given us a unknown angle, different angle only given. After that we should write it is in order, right? So once we have written the order, what is the rule we have applied? DEF is similar to PQR. We got a triple A criteria here, so AA rule only. So it is required here, it is a question to check. So we have to find out the third angle by angle sum property, and we should check that whether they are similar or not. We can write by which criteria? The triple A criteria. So okay, That the criteria we have checked, which are the criteria, triple A, triple S, then SAS only. No RH question is given to you till now. So later also it is not there in the syllabus, still we can go for that also. It is also true only. Now question number 2, ODC similar to triangle, ODC similar to triangle OBA, and angle BOC equal to 125, angle CDO 70, find DOC. That means here central angle DOC, then DCO. Here it is, then OAB. Right, so that is the third angle it is asked here. So let us we can write directly what is DOC by linear pair property only. So DOC equal to 180 minus 125, then we can write that it is equal to 55 degree only. So which property we have applied here? DOC means it is a linear pair. Very lower class onwards we are studying the linear pair is the reason. Right. Now we got a DOC there. Now the next in triangle DOC, we got already two angles. Then you can find out the third angle by angle sum property. So 70 is there for which angle? Angle D. Then angle O. Triangle only we are speaking DOC. In triangle DOC, angle D is 70, angle O equal to 55. Then what is the question mark for us? Angle DCO. Angle DCO equal to 55 by angle sum property. But in the question itself, you have seen that a triangle ODC similar to OBA. Triangle ODC similar to OBA. So what is the correspondence you have seen there? Angle O equal to angle O, angle D is equal to angle B, and angle C is equal to angle A. Angle A means which one? Angle OAB only, right? Angle C is equal to, you can see that angle A. That means which angle it is? Angle OCD equal to angle OAB. So already we have calculated what is OCD. OCD equal to 55 only. So what is OAB? OAB is equal to 55 degree only. So we have used the given properties only. The first one we have used a linear pair. For the second case it is angle sum property. The third case it is the similarity criteria we have used. Any other method also you can use, means it can be used, but the problem is that we should go for only with reasons. Now you can do this type of questions you can expect in the MCQ and all. They give the diagram and they can ask the angle, and short note we can make on the right side and we can solve it, right? So here we are getting the values like this: angle DOC equal to 55 degree, then angle DCO equal to 55 degree. The first one is for linear pair, and this is for angle sum property, angle sum property. Then what is the next one? It is a similarity criteria. So all the three properties we have used, and respectively the values are 55, 55 and the 55 only, right? So we got the values there. Question number 3 now. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So what is given here? Trapezium is given, trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Now, using similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. So, already we are taking which triangle there? DOC and a BOA only. Already it is given that they are parallel. Already equal parts they have marked. As you know that it is a parallel line, angle A and C. Just I'll mark 1 and 2. It is alternate interior angle. Here 3 and 4, that is also alternate interior angle only. Now what about these two angle, vertically opposite angle? Already we know that when a parallel line is given in a trapezium, you can go for alternate interior angles and vertically opposite angle. Any two angles you can write, then you can write the similarity criteria. So we have taken the DOC and the BOA. AB parallel to CD. They have written clearly alternate interior angles and vertical opposite angles are there. So what is the criteria we are taken here? Triple A rule only. So we have written first alternate interior angle, then also alternate interior angle, vertically opposite angles. Here three angles are mentioned. It is not necessary to that take always three angle. With two also we can wind up and we can write that they are similar only. Now we have listed three angle here. We must write the reason triple A only. Now you are going to use only two, then you should write it 2a only, right? Now once we got the similarity, we can write the sides ratio, because that is the result of angles property. Triple A we have used. What is the result here? DO by BO equal to OC by OA. Only two we have written, one more side is there, that also we can write. What is the remaining side? DC by BA. That I have not written because it's not required there. Understood? When we are having the similarity, DO we have written the same order we should write, and OC we have written, then OA we should write, right? Now we got this one, but it is not in the required format. See that one, OA by OC is required. So we are cross multiplying, and otherwise taking the reciprocal, we can say that OA should come in the numerator. So just taking the reciprocal of that one, OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Left side and right side we are changing the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator only. So same easy rule only. You can easily find out two angles from the diagram, because it's a trapezium. Alternate interior angle concept is there, vertically opposite angle concept is there. Any two you can use, and you can write that they are similar by AA rule. If you are listing out 3A angle, three angles there, then you must write 3A there. That's all. That only the change. Once we have proved the similarity criteria, what is the result of that one? We can write a corresponding sides in the ratio. After that, it is the required format is little bit different. So we have taken the reciprocal and we have written the answer. So we got the answer as OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Fourth question, QR by QS equal to QT by PR. Now, also given that angle 1 and 2 are equal, show that triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. Triangle PQS, if you check in the diagram, you are getting the side PQ and QS only, and angle 1 is coming. So, angle 1 criteria is already given, right? Now, TQR, if you consider, angle 2 is coming. So in these two triangles, angles have no issues. It is already coming angle 1 and 2. One angle we got. Now angle 1, if you consider, what are the sides we are getting for the triangle PQS? PQ and QS. Right? Now similarly, when you go for angle 2, what are the sides we are getting? QR and TR is getting. Right? So that is the case here. Now if you go for this one, QR and PQS, QT and PR, no PS is coming, PQ is coming there, isn't it? Angle 1, if you are taking the included angle, means PQ should come, right? Now let us see that one. What is angle 1 and 2 result? Angle 1 and 2 result means they are equal. What is the opposite side for angle 1 and angle 2? That is angle 1, PQR equal to PRQ only, right? PQR, that is angle 1. What is angle 2? That is PRQ. So angle 1 and 2, if you take, the opposite side will be PR, right? And angle 2, if you take, the opposite side will be PQ. So here PR is there in the given part. That PR you can replace as PQ. Once again, it is given that 1 and 2 only. So 1, when we are taking, the included angle means for which side it is coming? PQ as well as QS, right? But QS is coming in the given part, but no PQ is coming. So for getting PQ, what we should go for that one? Angle 1 and 2 are equal criteria is given, that property should be used. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 means we got PR and PQ are equal, right? So we are going to write here, see the changes. QR by QS equal to QT by PR, that is given. Now PR should be replaced by PQ. So we got QR by QS equal to QT by QP only. Now triangle PQS we have taken, and a triangle TQR we have taken. So what is the criteria we have written here? QR by QS and the QT by QP. Then angle Q as a common we have used. Angle 1 equal to 2, angle 1 equal to 2 we have not used. So PQS and TQR we have taken. QR and QT in the numerator it is coming. So we are written that triangle TQR similar to triangle PQS, right? So TQR is in the numerator. So here we have changed it. TQR is the order. So TQR similar to PQS only. I think here also I should change this one. Here in triangle TQR and a triangle, which one PQS I should write, right? Then only it is correct, because we have mentioned the first triangle as in the numerator. So QR by QS equal to QT by QP. So what is the point you must take care here? Angle 1 equal to angle 2 is given. You should not go behind this one, because it is required for changing the side. Angle 1 equal to 2 means angle side PQ equal to side PR. So we have written there PQ and PR only. Now we changed that one. So the side we got, side ratio equal we got, then the included angle we got. So SA's criteria, these two triangles are similar. Okay. S and T are the points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR. Angle P equal to angle RTS show that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS only. Triangle RPQ similar to RTS means RPQ, if you consider, already you can see that angle P is marked, right? Okay. Now RTS, if you take that, what marked there, angle T is marked. So already we got one angle in respective cases. Now what is the other angle we should get means it's a common angle, angle R only. Right? So angle P equal to uh, angle P equal to angle T only, and R is the common angle there. So what is the criteria we are using here? Two angles criteria only. Angle R is equal to angle R, angle P is equal to angle T, it is given. So what is the answer? Triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS only. So we have used only two angle. What is the criteria to be written? AA criteria. So here it is also one correction is there, which is the angle we should write a angle T, right? So angle P is equal to angle T, that is given here. So triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS, it is equal to AA criteria. Easily you can find two angles from the diagram. Then what we can write, they are similar. Similarly, another question, triangle AB congruent to triangle ACD. If they are congruent, show that triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC only, right? If triangle AB congruent to triangle ACD. So what is given there? AB congruent to ACD. Once congruency is given, you can write all the angles are equal, all the sides are also equal. Angles and sides are equal in the case of the congruency, right? So we have taken two sides here. Which are the two sides? AB equal to AC. Order is there. So AD equal to AE. We should write AE first only. AE equal to AD by the result only. Now we want which triangle? AD triangle first. So that is why here we have written AD, right? So AD triangle we want first. So in AD triangle, AD will come. So AD we have changed here. Triangle ABC is there. So ABC we can write. So AD by AB we have taken, right? AD by AB and AE by AC. What we have done here? Dividing equation 2 by 1 only. Divide equation 2 by 1. Any order you write, AB equal to AC, then AE equal to AD you can write. After that, what is the change we have written here? AD I want to write first means we can use that way, or AE means AC will come there, right? That is the change. Just divide these two equation in a required way. So AD by AB equal to AE by AC only. Now what is the common angle there? Angle A is common. So which is the criteria there? SA's criteria. In SA's criteria, we got two sides ratio and one included angle. So what is the conclusion we are making? It is SAS rule. They are similar. So the congruency property is there. You can go for common angle means nothing is required from the congruency. Where it is required, side ratios. So sides all are equal only, all the three sides are equal, correspondence are there. So according to the need, we have to go for in AD which is coming, AB which is coming. Like that we have to take. So we have taken that AD from ABD, sorry, ADE, and AB from ABC. Similarly, AE from ADE, then AC from the longest side. If you see the diagram, AD we are taken, then the longest side it will be AB. AE we are taking, then the longest side it is AC in triangle ABC. So the same ratio we required, so we have used in the same way, and we have proved that they are similar by SAS. This question, it is easy to you because we have to find out two angles from the diagram. Altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other. The point P show that triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP only. AEP if you are taken, and what is the triangle they have taken, it is here, if it is one means this is second. So from there you have to find out two angle. Already 90 degrees marked in the diagram. So one angle is common there, angle E and angle D. Now, if you go for angle P, that is also equal because vertically opposite angles only. So in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle D and angle E are 90 degree. Then what is the next one? Vertically opposite angle. Remaining angle I have written here, it is not required. We can find out with the 2 also. So then you have to make the criteria here AAA. If you are using this, then it should be 3A, right? So D 90 degree, E is also 90 degree. P and P vertically opposite angle. Naturally, by angle sum property, the remaining angle are equal. So CDP similar to triangle AEP, and the criteria is AAA. Anybody wants to write with the 2A, then also it is correct only. That time you should write a 2A only. Okay. Next triangle is ABD and CBE. That is the second question, I think. ABD and CBE only. ABD, A, B, then D. D is already 90 degree, right? Here ABD is D. We got CBE. CBE, which is 90 degree there, angle A E equal to 90 degrees. So 90 degree angle is there. So now we have to go for common angle. I think ABD angle B is coming. CBE is also angle B is coming. So which criteria we have used? A common angle criteria. Let us see the solution now. 90 degree, that is D and E, and angle B is common, then the remaining angle. So we have used the three angles, so triple A criteria we should, right? So here also the concept, last time it was vertically opposite angle, now this time we have used the common angle. Now the third question, AEP and ADP. Let us see the diagram. AEP and ADP. AEP again, I mean the marked one is one only. ADB. ADB. Okay, here it is. Okay, AEP means here one. Now, what is the next angle? ADB. Here it is ADB only coming. Now let us see. AEP means E is the 90 degree. ADB means angle D is the 90 degree. AEP is a part of ADB only, right? Now what is the common angle there? AEP as well as ADB. So what is the criteria we are using means, let us see that one. In triangle 3, it is a common angle A is coming and 90 degree is coming. So once again the diagram, angle A is common, little bit only, partially A is coming here in both the triangles. So angle A is a common, and angle E and angle D are 90 degrees. So two angle we got. So with that we can make the conclusion. Similarly, we can go for PDC and BEC. PDC and BEC. PDC means again 90 degrees there, D and E is there, right? Angle D and angle equal to 90 degree. Then the common angle is C only. Then by triple A rule, triangle PDC and similar to triangle BEC only. So here in both the case, once again I'll repeat, angle D and angle E equal to 90 degree. That is a 90-degree angle we got. Angle PCD and angle BCE, that means angle C, that is common angle. Let us see the diagram once again. Okay, triangle PDC, the small one. Okay, BEC here only. So which is the common angle? It is coming C and a 90 degrees there. So here already you have seen that two angles are coming. So one is 90-degree and one is a common angle. In majority of the case, one case we have seen that it is a vertically opposite angle. So whatever angle if you are choosing, you go for which one? We have to go for the reason, which is the reason applicable there, in that we should go. And with that you can identify two angles and the criteria can be written. Now once again you have to write the similarity. Once you are writing, that time you should follow the order. In case one or two error happened in my videos, so that should not be done. So you, when you are writing the similarity, you should follow the order, then only it is correct, like a congruency, right? So with this today's class I'm winding up. Thank you.